Loyalties, welcome back. It's the girl Miss Monificent here. Thank you all so much for joining me. Happy Resurrection Day. Happy Sunday to all. And today's video, as you can tell by the title, will be a tour of my home. Now I'm going to give you all just a little bit of a backstory. So I am a single mom of 4. I moved into my home just a little bit, almost 5 years ago, leaving a marriage, and I had to start from scratch. So I had to gather myself financially, emotionally, physically, spiritually, all of that good stuff. So by the grace of God, I have done so. I am here. My home is just a little bit of 1,000, just a little bit under 1,000 square feet. And I have 4 children, and then there's me. But I have been making the space work. Of course, I have been doing so on a budget, and that is why I did create my channel, is in hopes to inspire others. You know, I love to decorate. I love decor. I love changing out with my mood, with the seasons, all that good stuff. But you know, that can be costly. So, you know, I just wanted to show you what I have done on a budget. A lot of things in my home is thrifted. And yeah, so hopefully you all will enjoy this tour. Keep in mind, I only have one living area. That's our living area and our family room, all in one whop. And you know, I had to make the best of my space, needing a little home office, a dining area, and all of that. My style is somewhat farmhouse, industrial. I don't know, because my dream is, although I live in the city and I am a city girl, born and raised in the city, my family is from the South. Eventually, I would love to move back to the country. I just don't know what it is. It's just something in me. I just love that cottage, cabin, country, that kind of stuff. So hopefully I have accomplished doing that in today's video. Yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Come back for more videos. If you are visiting, I ask that you stay a while by hitting that loyal button down below. If you like this home tour, then please give it a big thumbs up. I always appreciate it. And yeah, you all have a blessed week, and I will see you all in my next video.